Is your Windows PC freezing, crashing, or acting strangely? Before you reset Windows, try these two built-in repair commands. First, open Command Prompt as administrator. Then type DISM/online/cleanup-image/check health. This command checks whether Windows has detected corruption in its system image. Next, run System File Checker. Type SFC/scano. SFC scans protected Windows system files and attempts to repair corrupted or missing files. Let each command finish completely. Don't close the command prompt while the scan is running. If Windows reports that it found and repaired corrupted files, restart your PC and check if the problem is gone. So if Windows is freezing, crashing, or behaving strangely, try DISM first, then SFC. Save this video. You might need these commands later. Don't be left behind. Stay secure, stay updated. Like, share, and follow for more tech tips and reminders.